Chicken taco salad.
She started this breast side down to get some color and flavor,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And get the chicken rendering. Then to that, you added onion.
I added some onion, and I just did some really simple slicing because you're not actually going to be eating these onions. It's just
for flavor. Right.
Absolutely. So what we do is we brown these so we get all the nice flavor. And then, if we can move down here, I've already got some done here. And I've got a great tip. What I recommend if you're ever going to do any sautéing within your Instapot, put in some water, because you need to add it in there anyways, and then scrape the bottom just a little bit.
Pick up the drippings.
Exactly.
Right.
And first of all, it's going to add a ton of flavor, but also it will help so you will not get that burn.
And you'll have extra juices.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. First, we're going to put in the little trivet.
Oh, your little trivet.
Yeah. And then we add the chicken. We would add on some paprika, chili powder,
hand it to me. I'll
cumin.
sprinkle it. Yep.
I made it really easy, just a teaspoon of each.
Okay. Chili powder, paprika,
cumin, and just a little bit of salt and pepper.
Smoky cumin. Great.
Yeah. We close it up. We do 30 minutes. And then you just do a 10-minute natural pressure release. And look at what we've got here. It's so fantastic.
Wow.
I know, right? Look how beautiful that is. We already sliced it up here.
And there's one all sliced up?
Absolutely. So you could have that for dinner tonight and then take the leftovers and you can make a taco salad tomorrow.
So you want to show them how to make the taco bowl?
Absolutely. So what you can do if you have a 9x9 or if you have one of these really nice dishes.
Large deep dish ramekin.
Exactly. Yep. You can just place it in here, spray it with a little bit of olive oil, and you bake it, and then you've got this great little tortilla bowl.
And you can stack those up. You can make those ahead and stack them up. They would keep for weeks.
Absolutely. You could do this while the chicken roasts in the Instapot, and then tomorrow night, all you have to do is just throw it all together. Super easy.
With your leftovers, right?
Absolutely. So what we've done
onions and garlic?
Onions and garlic. We've just kind of cooked down and softened. Then we need to add in some cayenne, just about a half a teaspoon. Perfect.
Okay.
I like to add a lot of garlic powder because it's going to add a ton of flavor. So a teaspoon and a half.
Half a pumple.
Yeah. And then some oregano.
And chili powder.
And some chili powder. Chili powder isn't nearly as spicy as you'll find cayenne is, so you can be a little bit more liberal with that, but be careful with that cayenne. And then all we have to do is add in the chicken, a little bit of water, and you've got this amazing...
To make it nice and juicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love playing in the kitchen with you.
So that's this guy.
That's this guy. And so now we can make
so
a
build
lovely
a bowl
salad.
there, babe.
So what I really like, I like to use romaine as opposed to iceberg because it has so many more nutritional properties to it. I mean, it boosts metabolism. It's great for anti-aging. You don't get that with iceberg.
And you want to eat a lot of fiber here also is the point.
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. I like to use frozen corn so I can have it any time of the year. I just defrost it. You can either do that in the microwave or you can just put it in some hot water. Next, we can't have it without tomato.
Yeah, but put the cheese on there too, next to the chicken.
We're gonna put the cheese on there. Can't skip the cheese. We've got some green onions. Am I torching you? Waiting
No,
on the
not
cheese?
at all. It's beautiful.
Right, some olives if you like them, and then a little bit of cheese. And then if we put the chicken right on top,
right, it'll help melt the cheese. I see where you're going.
Yeah. Isn't that wonderful?
That's adorable. You do have a great, what is this, avocado?
It's a guacamole, or it's actually a jalapeno avocado. Really, really nice dressing. So we're gonna add in some jalapeno, and we've taken out all of the seeds and all the ribs, so you're losing all of that heat.
The heat. So if you like it extra spicy, leave that in.
Absolutely.
Little cilantro.
About half a, yeah, that's perfect.
Juice of half a lime.
Juice of half a lime. A little bit of Greek yogurt, because Greek yogurt naturally boosts your metabolism. And then I like some almond milk to thin it out. Almond milk also boosts your metabolism, but if you just wanted to use water, that would be absolutely fine.
Little garlic.
Little garlic, grate it in.
Okay.
And then, actually, we're not gonna need any salt because we got all that lime, but I am gonna add in some pepper. And you've got this really yummy, delicious dressing, right? And you can always thin it out more. You can also make this in a mason jar. You just add it all in there and shake it up and save it for tomorrow.
Over there?
Yeah. Thank you.
Whoa! Right? She brought not only one book, but 2 books. Everybody goes home with Lose Weight by Eating Detox Free.